Ngibingelele kuwe mlaleli, ngiyathemba ukuthi phila-ke. Mina ngizocela kuwe-ke laphana-ke ukuthi-ke uma ngabe usamusha-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke wenze okulungile-ke laphana-ke ungixhase-ke ucindezele-ke ibhathini subscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje ukhishwe nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke leli-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizoloke ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke kuze ngaphuthi lezi ndaba ongayenza njengamanje ukuthi-ke ungabe ucindezela-ke ibhathini subscribe njengamanje-ke. Udaba-ke thulunakhe namhlanje lana-ke lithi-ke o-MK-ke laphana-ke beveza-ke kuningi-ke okungaziwa-ke laphana-ke nge-DA ebahlaselayo-ke nabantu-ke abavela-ke kwamanye amaqembu-ke laphana-ke abazenza-ke umkhonto-ke wesizwe waveza-ke okuningi-ke laphana kodwa-ke angifuni-ke mina ukuthi weziwa ngami phela into nje udlala-ke ividiyo-ke uzwele wena-ke ukuthi-ke uthini-ke lo mlisa-ke lo. Mina ngizobe ngicela laphana ukuthi-ke masuzwile-ke le video ngene ma-comment section-ke ufushe uvo lwakho ukuthi wena-ke ucabangani-ke ngalo-ke lolu daba-ke lolu-ke elibekwa nguye-ke lo mlisa lo. Uzicinzele nebhathini nje usubscribe nje akubizi imali kumahhala nje awukhiphi nesenti-ke elimnyama-ke khonza ukwazi phela ukuthi-ke uthole nezinye-ke iy'ndaba-ke ezintsha-ke nje engizolobe ngiyifaka-ke kulo-ke leli khasi-ke leli-ke kusukela-ke manje-ke nayo-ke le video-ke awuyithokozele.
Woza nendlebe ngize nendaba allegedly MK amahle ngizonxusa nje ukuthi ake sisupporteni iqembu lethu bafethu lihlaselwa nxa zonke ende kubhlungu manje uma ngibona abantu abagqoke iskipa esifana nalesi sami ngaphakathi emkhontweni nabo abalwayo belusa umkhonto futhi bafethu kunabantu abaxoshwa la emkhontweni ngokuganga baganga ngoba bephethe authority ukuthi yiba babecela ukuthi kuphenjwe leli qembu baganga. So labantu laba bashiya ingane zabo la okanye izisebenzi zabo la ezimoshayo la eqenjini. Ngiyafisa ngathi laba bantu laba bangakhishwa nje out kungabi ukuthi bayaxolelwa ngoba kuyimanje balwisa iqembu abaphume nje. Yabona ukususpenda ku-light kakhulu abaphume nje out. Ngiyakufisa lokho ukuthi bakhishwe nje straight ngoba manje silwa izimpi zangaphandle bona bazolwa futhi izimpi la ngaphakathi. Uyabona idaba futhi. Ayisoze iphumule uma ngabe iMK isagwaza ngalendlela egwaza ngayo. Ingakho that ugly woman called Glenis Breitenbach can say whatever she feels like saying ngobaba uJohn Hlophe ngoba she's white and she's racist. Yabo. Bonke no bando Helen Zille. They are all racist and they are protecting racism. And they act as if they are innocent people. And because South African people are easily manipulated, they also echo whatever that they say. But the truth of the matter, Oguti, the DA is very corrupt and it will go to any length to protect the corruption yabo. Loya mama nje lo Breitenbach lo, that racist woman, she was suspended the NPA because wayenzelela abangani bakhe bethola amathenda, they paid her. Ngikhuluma ngoNathan Kish. They paid her. So she was suspended. And she even made sure ukuthi i-company that is actually competing in a company kamngani wakhe uvulele icala. Icala elingekho. That woman is evil. But because she is white and she's got power and she's with the DA, icala lakhona laphelele endleleni. But yena uyakwazi ukuthi azokhuluma kumabona kude, azokhuluma ngemorality nange-integrity kababa uJohn Hlophe. And ukukhuluma nge-integrity yomuntu uyabona mawuzoloku uthi corrupt umuntu shono straight ukuthi watshontshana umuntu or wenzani wayenza luphi uhlobo le-corruption ngalokho ukuthi umuntu corrupt. Yabona nje ekhasini yakhe she took money from her friend ukuthi azomnikeza umsebenzi kwa-NPA. and she was suspended for that. Even nendaba ukuthi kwathi uma ngabe sekubizwa ilokhuzana ilaptop wayifihla wangavuma nelaptop. So there is so much, and even in that case that involves uLidwaba. Nekhumbula that case eyayi involve uLidwaba, babe investigator for the corruption kwayena. This woman yonke into yakhe inamanga inokungcola phakathi, and then yena she's got a nerve to come on national TV and talk about immorality ne-integrity kababa uJohn Hlophe. So mina ngithi bafethu supporteni kakhulu iqembu lethu because impi yeDa, they can say whatever, even that spokesperson yeDa ngimazi ukhawukhawu really yathi, even that woman, whatever that she was saying is bull, is total BS, because we elected ubaba uJohn Hlophe, or we nominated him ukuthi kube uyozosimela kuJC ngamava akhe. So uma kuzothiwa ku MK baningi abantu abangalokhuzwa ngaphandle kwakhe, uye who is more qualified than anyone. Ene lapha kuJC akuyiwa ngokuthi une case awuna case uyisima kanjani, anyone o eligible ukuthi angaba seParliament uyafitha ukuthi angalokhuza ngaya kuJC. So angiunderstand ukuthi kungani bezoqamba amange ebantwini. Bona abasho nje ukuthi cha lo muntu lo uyi threat ngoba sifuna ukufaka abantu bethu esizokwazi ukuba control. So abantu abanje ngoba buhlophe bazophazamisa kuleyo process yokuthi kungena abantu abangekho fit for ukuthi baba ama judge. So bafethu ibhlungu kakhulu lento le ukuthi siyahlukunyezwa ezweni lethu. Sihlukunyezwa abantu ababesicindezele before, and because they've got a backing ye-ANC kaRamaphosa. I know ukuthi there are some objections within the ANC, bakhona aba right, but most of them fucuza nje. So afethu ngiyacela nje ukuthi asupporteni iqembu lethu ngamandla. Laba angathi abafanele ukuba la eqenjini abahambe basishiyeni bafethu, ngoba manje angeke silwe izimpi zangaphakathi silwe izimpi zangaphandle. Ake besishiyeni ngoxolo.